everybody, I'm the Ginger Optimist and I love to cook and bake and make DIY products. And today I am going to show you how I make meatloaf. So let's get started. I put a little over 1.5 pounds of 80/20 ground beef into my bowl, and I'm going to chop it up and begin to add ingredients to it. I have 1 egg that I've already beaten. I'm going to add that. Now I'm going to add a heaping 1/2 teaspoon of minced garlic, a couple of dashes of Worcestershire sauce, some yellow mustard, probably about a tablespoon amount, some ground black pepper. Now I'm gonna add 1 medium yellow onion that's been chopped up, a couple of dashes of pink Himalayan salt, a 1/4 cup of Italian breadcrumbs, a little bit of ketchup, now I'm going to mix it all up. Now I'm going to spray my Pyrex bowl with olive oil cooking spray and put the meatloaf into the bowl. Now I'm going to put ketchup on top of the meatloaf. Cover that whole area. My timer is set for 44 minutes, so now I'm going to place my meatloaf down into my Instant Pot on top of the trivet. Got a cup of water in there. It's already been heating, so it will take less time to come to pressure. So we're gonna put the lid on. Make sure that the venting valve is turned to sealed, and we are going to let this do its thing. The timer has gone off and it's done a self-release for 10 minutes, and then I released the rest of the pressure, which was only a tiny bit. Now I'm going to open it up and check out our meatloaf. It smells so good. Okay, so I'm gonna suck out the grease from the meat. All right, time for a taste test. Tender and moist, and you can't beat that yummy ketchup taste on top. Thank you so much for watching the Ginger Optimist. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll give me a thumbs up. Look for the recipe down below and leave me comments. I would love to connect with you. Have a great rest of your day. If you're not subscribed to me already, I sure hope you will. God bless. Bye.